check right now. You know what? Fucking bird turd. Bird turd. Bird turd. You are a piece of shit. You know what? Fucking, let's sit on this canopy right here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm gonna just sit here and let it roll. Let it roll. Oh God, I hope my feet smell really stinky right now. Because you're fucking shithole. I swear.
This is amazing.
Smells real good. Real good. Mm-hmm. Wake up, you little taco! Wake up! You know what? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No, let's wake up. Let's wake up right now, you little shithead. Let's fucking wake up, America. Go 9/11. All right. Come on, D. Let's give a little. You know what? No.